Motorcycle dash cams are essential for riders who prioritize both safety and documenting their journeys. These compact, weather-resistant devices offer a range of valuable features, from high-definition video recording to night vision, GPS tracking, and dual camera setups. Dash cams can serve as crucial evidence in case of an accident, offer a way to relive beautiful rides, and bring peace of mind by capturing every moment. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 motorcycle dash cams that blend advanced technology with user-friendly design to enhance any ride, whether you're focused on security, capturing memories, or both. 1. Sisto 150-degree wide fisheye motorcycle dash cam. The Sisto 150-degree wide fisheye motorcycle dash cam is a powerful dual-lens dash cam, well-suited for riders who want a reliable, high-quality recording of their surroundings. This camera setup features 1080p resolution for both the front and rear cameras, ensuring detailed footage from both directions. The camera's 6-fold glass lenses are optimized specifically for motorcycling conditions, allowing for minimal distortion while recording clear and vibrant video. One of the standout features is its 150-degree wide-angle lens with an f1.8 aperture, ideal for capturing extensive surroundings and reducing blind spots. The wide angle also excels in low-light conditions, providing impressive clarity for nighttime recording. The Sisto camera further enhances visual quality with an anti-glare polarizing filter, which minimizes reflections and optimizes lighting, resulting in sharp and vivid recordings. Key features: 150-degree wide-angle lens with f1.8 aperture for broader and brighter coverage G-sensor that detects sudden impacts, securing relevant video files as locked footage, built-in Wi-Fi for easy video transfer and viewing on mobile devices, anti-glare polarizing filter to minimize reflections and maintain color accuracy. In addition to providing peace of mind, the Sisto dashcam is built to withstand various weather conditions, making it a versatile option for riders who experience different climates and environments. 2. ThinkWear M1 Motorsport Dash Cam. The ThinkWear M1 Motorsport Dash Cam distinguishes itself with its advanced image stabilization, a game-changing feature for motorcyclists, particularly those who ride on rough or uneven surfaces. The dual camera setup captures full HD 1080p video from the front and rear, and image stabilization ensures smooth, clear footage by reducing blurriness caused by vibrations. Built with an IP66 waterproof rating, the ThinkWear M1 is designed to endure rain, dust, and other challenging weather conditions. Its GPS capability provides real-time location tracking and speed monitoring, valuable for documenting routes or verifying speeds. Moreover, the camera is compatible with the ThinkWear app, allowing users to view live footage, download videos, and adjust audio settings directly from their mobile devices through Wi-Fi. Key features: advanced image stabilization that counteracts the effects of road vibration, dual HD 1080p cameras with an IP66 waterproof rating for robust protection, built-in GPS to log location and speed details, Wi-Fi-enabled app for live viewing and video management. The ThinkWear M1 is an excellent choice for riders looking to capture high-quality footage on rough terrains or in adverse weather conditions. Its advanced technology and durability make it a top pick among experienced motorcyclists and camera enthusiasts. 3. Sisto Motorcycle Recording Dash Cam with Tire Pressure Monitoring System. The Sisto Motorcycle Recording Dash Cam with Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, brings an additional layer of safety with its tire pressure monitoring feature, setting it apart from most other dash cams on the market. This feature enables riders to track their tire pressure directly on the dash cam's 4.5-inch IPS screen, which helps prevent accidents due to underinflated tires. By installing sensors on the tires, riders receive real-time feedback on tire pressure, allowing them to address potential issues before they escalate. The Sisto dashcam is equipped with WDR, wide dynamic range technology, ensuring well-balanced exposure in both high and low light situations, while the large IPS screen blocks infrared rays and minimizes reflections for better visibility. The automatic recording function activates when the bike is turned on, and built-in Wi-Fi allows riders to download and share videos in real time. Furthermore, the dash cam's supercapacitor acts as a backup power source, preserving any emergency footage in the event of a sudden power loss. Key features: Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, for added safety through real-time pressure readings. WDR technology for improved image quality in various lighting conditions. Automatic recording when the motorcycle is turned on. Supercapacitor to secure emergency footage during sudden power loss. With its combination of safety features and video quality, this Sisto model is perfect for riders who want added functionality and ease of use on the road. 4. TrueCam N2S 4K-Cam. For those seeking unparalleled image clarity, the TrueCam N2S 4K-Cam is an ideal choice. With 4K Ultra HD recording, 3840 by 2160p at 25 frames per second, this camera captures high-resolution video, allowing riders to capture crucial details like license plates and road signs, even in fast-paced or low-light situations. Its advanced Sony sensor and WDR technology balance light exposure, delivering exceptional video quality at any time of day or night. Designed with 4 infrared LEDs, the TrueCam N2S also excels in low-light conditions, ensuring nighttime rides are recorded with excellent clarity. Continuous firmware updates keep the N2S up to date, and its certifications C, FCC, and ROHS verify that it meets rigorous quality and safety standards. Key features: 4K Ultra HD recording for top-notch video quality, Sony sensor with WDR technology for balanced exposure and improved clarity. 4 infrared LEDs for enhanced night vision, continuous firmware updates for optimized functionality. The TrueCam N2S is an ideal choice for riders who value high-definition footage, ensuring no detail is missed during scenic rides or for accident documentation. 5. Sisto No Screen Dual Dash Cam. The Sisto No Screen Dual Dash Cam is a great budget-friendly option that offers many of the essential features without an onboard display. Its HD 1080p resolution on both the front and rear cameras is paired with a wide 130-degree angle, providing comprehensive coverage without overcomplicating the design. The absence of a screen allows for a lightweight and easy-to-install setup that won't obstruct the rider's view. With loop recording, riders can select intervals for video storage, and the G sensor detects sudden movement, automatically saving footage when a collision is detected. The camera's Wi-Fi connectivity lets you view live recordings on a mobile device, and an optional GPS feature provides basic navigation support and speed tracking. Key features: Dual HD 1080p recording with 130-degree angle for reliable coverage, loop recording with selectable time intervals for efficient storage, G sensor for automatic video save during collisions, Wi-Fi connectivity for mobile viewing and video sharing. For budget-conscious riders, the Sisto No Screen Dual Dash Cam offers simplicity, reliability, and key safety features at an affordable price. 6. Vantrue F1 Motorcycle 4K Front and Rear Dash Cam. The Vantrue F1 Motorcycle 4K Front and Rear Dash Cam is one of the best motorcycle dash cameras available. It features 4K plus 1080p dual recording with 160-degree wide-angle lenses and a Sony StarViz sensor for clear video, even in low-light conditions. Its full IP67 waterproof and dustproof design, GPS tracking with mileage statistics, and trip data export make it an excellent choice for riders looking to capture high-quality footage of their road adventures. Equipped with dual cameras, the F1 records simultaneously in 4K and 1080p at 30 frames per second, ensuring clear and crisp video. The 160-degree wide-angle lenses on both cameras significantly reduce blind spots, covering more than 3 lanes of traffic for enhanced safety. With its built-in Sony StarViz sensor, the F1 dash cam excels in low-light conditions, capturing every moment with outstanding clarity. Whether riding through rain, snow, or dust, The IP67 rated waterproof design ensures optimal performance of the cameras and all accessories under any weather conditions. Additionally, the built-in GPS and mileage statistics allow you to track your routes, speeds, and trip details via the Vantrue app or GPS player, which can be exported as evidence if necessary. The dash cam also features a built-in adjustable G sensor that locks important footage during collisions, while loop recording ensures continuous video capture. With the convenience of OTA firmware updates, 5 GHz Wi-Fi for easy video sharing, and customizable voice prompts, the Vantrue F1 is designed for ease of use and enhanced rider safety. 7. INNOVV K5 Motorcycle Dash Cam Front and Rear. The INNOVV K5 Motorcycle Dash Cam Front and Rear is a high-performance recording solution offering exceptional video quality and advanced features, making it a top choice for motorcyclists. It captures 2K plus 2K footage at 30 FPS or 1080p plus 1080p at 30 FPS with electronic image stabilization (EIS), ensuring crystal clear video during rides. The 120-degree wide-angle lenses on both the front and rear cameras minimize blind spots, covering at least 3 lanes of traffic for comprehensive footage. Equipped with a 10 Hz GPS tracker, the K5 accurately records speed and location, allowing you to revisit routes and scenic views. 8. INNOVV K5 Motorcycle Dash Cam Front and Rear. The INNOVV K5 Motorcycle Dash Cam Front and Rear is a top-tier recording system designed to capture every detail of your ride. With its 4K plus 1080p dual-channel recording capabilities, the K5 delivers Ultra HD footage from both the front and rear cameras. Equipped with a StarVis sensor and f1.8 aperture, it excels in low-light conditions, making night rides safer by providing clear, detailed video. The wide-angle view captures at least 3 lanes of traffic, minimizing blind spots. Integrated with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the dashcam allows you to control settings, preview footage, and share clips seamlessly through the INNOVV app. Built to endure extreme environments, the K5's aluminum alloy body is IP67 rated for water, dust, and fog resistance, ensuring reliable performance in all weather conditions. The built-in 5 Hz GPS tracker logs your speed and location during rides, which can be reviewed alongside your footage to relive scenic moments. Why use a motorcycle dash cam? While dash cams are more common in cars, they are equally valuable for motorcyclists. Here are some of the main benefits of using a motorcycle dash cam. Accident documentation. Dash cams provide crucial evidence in the case of an accident, helping riders protect themselves legally and document events accurately. Safety and awareness. Features like tire pressure monitoring or G sensors help increase overall safety on the road, alerting riders to potential issues before they turn into hazards. Capturing scenic rides. Motorcycling offers an unmatched perspective on the open road, and dash cams help riders document beautiful routes to relive memories or share with others. Peace of mind. With a dash cam, riders can enjoy greater peace of mind, knowing their journey is being documented. In case of incidents like theft or hit-and-run accidents, a dash cam can provide valuable evidence. Choosing the right dash cam ultimately depends on your unique needs and preferences. Here's a quick summary to help make the decision easier. If image stabilization is your top priority, the ThinkWare M1 Motorsport Dash Cam is unmatched. For unrivaled clarity and 4K resolution, the TrueCam N2S captures every detail in high definition. The Sisto 150-degree wide fisheye provides a robust dual-camera setup with excellent night vision. If tire safety is a concern, the Sisto Motorcycle Dash Cam with TPMS offers real-time monitoring for added peace of mind. For budget-friendly reliability, the Sisto No-Screen Dual Dash Cam covers the essentials without the higher price. Each of these dash cams offers something unique, from ultra-high resolution and image stabilization to additional safety features like TPMS. When choosing, consider your riding conditions, desired features, and budget to find the best fit. Thank you for reading. If this guide helped you, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow riders. Let us know in the comments which dash cam you'd pick, or any features you think should be added to a motorcycle dash cam. Safe riding and happy recording. Safe.